Hey everybody, Matt Sloane here, founder and CEO of SKyfire Consulting. As you know, a couple of weeks ago we announced that we were going to be giving away a full drone program to one lucky public safety agency. I've been overwhelmed with the amount of responses that we've gotten, almost 1,100 in the last 6 weeks. Now we're doing this in combination with our partners at WS Darley, so we took entries both at their booth and at our booth at FDIC. We also took online entries and a few in-person entries as well. Before we pick the winner tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern on Instagram and Facebook, I wanted to give you a little bit of a look at how we were going to pick the winner. So as I mentioned, we got about 1,100 entries and they're still coming in. We're going to put all of those into an Excel spreadsheet with your email address and sort alphabetically by email. Then we're going to go into the website random.org, which is a random number generator, and have it pick a number between 1 and 1,100, and whichever number comes up, we'll correspond that to the line in the Excel sheet, and that'll be our winner. Of course, we're going to verify that that person is actually part of a public safety agency and ensure that they are actually able to receive the prize before we announce it on Instagram. And then we'll be, again, live tomorrow afternoon at 1 p.m. announcing the winner for sure. I want to thank everybody who submitted their entry, and of course thank our partners at WS Darley who are now in their 110th year of business. You guys have been amazing partners, and we look forward to doing this again with you in the future. Everybody else out there, good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow afternoon at 1 p.m.